Sure, you might have a website, but if it's not delivering the results you expect, the issue may lie in a lack of optimization. Enhancing your online visibility and ensuring you're easily found by potential customers requires a strategic focus on optimizing your site. This includes improving elements such as keyword usage, site speed, mobile responsiveness, and content quality, which are all crucial in climbing the search engine rankings. In the digital realm, the success of a website hinges on four crucial areas of optimization: performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. It's imperative to understand and optimize these areas to ensure that your website ranks well on both desktop and mobile platforms, and this is where Next Level DFY distinguishes itself from other companies. We focus on optimizing your website's loading speed and operational efficiency. This includes minimizing file sizes, optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, and enhancing server response times. Our goal is to ensure a fast, seamless user experience, as search engines prioritize websites that perform efficiently. Ensuring that your website is universally accessible is a key focus for our team. We work on making your site user-friendly for all audiences, implementing features like alternative text for images, ensuring proper contrast ratios, and creating a navigable experience for everyone. By focusing on broad accessibility, we help broaden your audience reach and improve your site's search engine ranking. Next Level DFY adheres to a wide range of technical and ethical standards, including robust website security, mobile responsiveness, and current web development practices. This approach ensures that your website is secure, adaptable, and poised for future technological advancements. Our SEO strategy is designed to boost your website's visibility and ranking in search engine results. This involves keyword optimization, effective use of meta tags, maintaining content quality and relevance, and building a robust backlink profile. At Next Level DFY, the difference lies in our comprehensive done-for-you approach. We don't just optimize your website, we continuously maintain it to ensure that its ranking remains consistent across both desktop and mobile platforms. Our dedicated team takes care of every aspect of your website's optimization, ensuring it remains user-friendly, accessible, and competitive. By choosing Next Level DFY, you're securing a powerful ally in your digital journey, committed to propelling your website to the pinnacle of digital excellence.